Do you want to learn how to make grilled lamb chops on a bed of sweet potatoes with these delicious patatas bravas? Stay tuned. We're going to start the dish by preparing our sweet potatoes. Now ready for the grill. And just repeat. Potatoes are wrapped up, and we're going to take these over to the grill. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and make the marinade for our lamb chops, okay? So here we're gonna need about half a clove of garlic. I also took this out of my garden. This is rosemary and fresh thyme. Now to the minced herbs and garlic, we're going to add a tablespoon of honey, 2.5 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, and then a tablespoon and a half of olive oil and a teaspoon of salt. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and prepare our lamb, and we're gonna add it to our marinade. The next thing we're gonna do is prepare our patatas bravas. Now we boiled our cut potatoes for about 12 minutes in boiling water, and then I'm gonna drain them and put them on these paper towels to dry out before I put them into the deep fryer to fry. See what they look like at about like halfway-ish, maybe a little less than half. Now that we've done all that hard work, we're gonna give our food a try. So we're gonna start with these delicious patatas bravas. My goodness. Perfection. I mean, I've been snacking on them, I'm not gonna lie. So I know that they're very good. Now we're gonna go ahead and try our lamb chop here. Perfectly grilled lamb chop. My goodness. Delicious. It's smoky, perfectly seasoned from the marinade. Really, really delicious. And then let's go ahead and go in for our sweet potato mash. My goodness, this all goes together so perfectly. The sweetness, the little bit of the kick from the hot sauce that I put in there. These are all so very complimentary. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see me make in the next videos. I would love to make it for you. And yeah, stay tuned for the next one. So delicious.